Hello friends, welcome to my channel. The stock which I'm projecting in front of you today is Centum Electronics, and the company has formed this flag pattern. If you see, I'm projecting in front of you. The Centum is a manufacturer of electronic PCB, friends, and it is a Bangalore-based company, I think. So you need to check more on fundamental analysis, friends, and its quarter-wise and year-wise earnings, and then only you should enter if you want to enter. So the chart which is projecting is a weekly chart, friends, weekly chart. And if you see, the Centum Electronics has formed a flag pattern, bullish flag pattern. Then after flag pattern, important support will be this trend line, friends. If this trend line will break on downside, the Centum Electronics will be on more on face downward side pressure. Then you should enter the stock after, as per me, after 482 level. If it decisively close above 482 level, you should enter above it for the target of 550 to 600. 550 to 600 target is possible to achieve by Centum. If we consider the level of 470, 480, the Centum Electronics, if it breaks with high volume, this flag type pattern breakout is famous for the bullish breakout. So you should enter once this breakout confirmation will happen. As per me, you need to check with your SEBI advisor, and then only you need to enter. As per me, this important trend line you also should consider. And after that, this 21 DMA line, this I projecting that will be considered as a important resistance at present. That is a 415, sorry, 420. 420 will be important resistance, that is this high, red candle high. Then after 420, it will be a good bullishness possible to come if it will close with high volume. And important support, I already told, that is a important support will be a important support will be of this trend line, friends, that is 330. Important support will be a 330. As per me, important support will be a 330. So 330 will be important support. If you want to take a risk of 394 minus 330, you should enter the stock for the long term view. So invest as per your risk appetite, and discuss with your SEBI registered advisor, and research yourself for the fundamental earnings of the stock of the company, and then enter, friends. So thank you, friends. Happy trading, safe trading.